female merganser. Oh, there's a couple. Hi, Mama. Ooh. Where are they at? Alright, there's a couple black ducks. Couple black ducks. I can't believe the merganser. Two females came over. Ooh, look at him. That's a male hooded merganser. Looking all, oh. Shit. Alright. Awesome. Okay, see ya. Oh, female merganser. She's right across the way. Just shitting on her dog. Now, there's a lot here today. A lot. All right. Bye-bye.